If you've been shopping for a used car lately and everything feels either too modern, too complicated, or just not built like it used to be, you're not alone. A lot of today's buyers are realizing that the cars they remember, the ones that felt solid, comfortable, and dependable, didn't disappear. They were just forgotten. In this video, we're looking at 5 sedans that many people stopped paying attention to years ago, but that can still be an excellent deal today. Cars built before downsizing, before CVTs everywhere, and before everything became overly complex. These are the kinds of sedans owners kept for decades, not because they were exciting, but because they worked day after day, mile after mile. If you're looking for something comfortable, proven, and quietly dependable without chasing the latest trends, stay with me, because these 5 cars might remind you why buying smart sometimes means looking back. Let's start with a car that almost everyone over 60 remembers immediately, the Lincoln Town Car. This sedan represents an era when comfort, durability, and simplicity mattered more than trends, and that's exactly why it still makes sense today. The best years to look at are roughly 2000 through 2011, all built on the famous Panther platform and powered by a naturally aspirated V8 paired with a traditional automatic transmission. No turbochargers, no CVTs, no complicated systems, just old-school American engineering designed to last. Under the hood, the Town Car uses Ford's 4.6-liter V8, an engine that Consumer Reports and long-term owners have consistently described as durable and under-stressed. This is not a performance engine, it's a smooth, low-stress motor built to cruise all day, and many owners report these cars reaching 250,000, 300,000 miles or more with basic maintenance. The transmission is a conventional automatic, widely used across Ford's lineup for years, which makes repairs simpler and parts easy to find even today. Where the Town Car really shines is comfort. The ride is soft, the cabin is quiet, the seats are wide and supportive, and everything feels relaxed and easy. This is the kind of car designed for long highway drives without fatigue. Equipment levels are simple but effective. Strong climate control, straightforward gauges, and controls that don't require a learning curve. Owners often say this is one of the easiest cars they've ever lived with, especially as they've gotten older. Maintenance costs are another reason this car still has a loyal following. RepairPal data and owner reports show that upkeep is predictable and usually cheaper than many newer vehicles once electronics and complex drivetrains enter the picture. Of course, it's not perfect, fuel economy isn't great, and it's a big car. But what owners almost never complain about are sudden, expensive failures. Compared to many newer used cars that promise efficiency but deliver stress, the Town Car offers something rare today, a calm, comfortable, and dependable ownership experience that feels familiar in the best possible way. Now let's switch gears and talk about a sedan that many people forgot existed, but those who owned one rarely forgot how well it treated them, the Acura RL. This is Acura's old-school flagship from the early 2000s, and the sweet spot years are roughly 2000 through 2010. These cars were built before downsizing and before complexity took over, with a naturally aspirated V6 and a traditional automatic transmission designed for smooth, long-term use. Under the hood, the RL uses Honda's 3.5-liter V6, an engine family known for durability and low stress. Consumer Reports and long-term owner feedback consistently describe this drivetrain as one of the most dependable setups Acura ever offered. It's not tuned for excitement, it's tuned for smoothness and longevity, and many owners report these cars quietly passing 200,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance and proper care. On the road, the RL feels calm, solid, and refined. The ride is comfortable without being soft. The cabin stays quiet at highway speeds, and everything feels thoughtfully engineered. Equipment levels were strong for the time: leather interiors, solid sound systems, good safety features, and controls that are simple and intuitive. Owners often say this is the kind of car that fades into the background in the best way possible. It just works every day without asking for attention. Maintenance costs are another reason the RL still makes sense today. RepairPal data and owner reports show that upkeep is generally predictable and often lower than many newer vehicles with more complex systems. Fuel economy is average and parts aren't as cheap as a basic Honda Accord, but what you don't hear are stories of constant breakdowns or drivetrain failures. Compared to many modern used cars that feel overcomplicated, the Acura RL offers a quiet, stress-free ownership experience that appeals to buyers who value comfort, engineering, and peace of mind over flash. Now let's talk about a sedan almost everyone in the US recognizes, the Chevrolet Impala. This is a name that's been around forever, and for good reason. The sweet spot years we're focusing on are roughly 2000 through 2010, especially the V6 models, when the Impala was built to be simple, spacious, and easy to own. This wasn't a flashy car. It was designed to be practical and dependable for everyday American driving. Under the hood, most of these Impalas came with a naturally aspirated V6, paired to a traditional automatic transmission. According to Consumer Reports data and long-term owner feedback, these drivetrains tend to be straightforward and durable when properly maintained. This is the kind of car that doesn't ask much, regular oil changes, basic upkeep, and it just keeps doing its job. Many owners report high mileage without major drivetrain failures, especially compared to newer vehicles with more complex systems. What really made the Impala popular was comfort and space. It offers a smooth, forgiving ride, a roomy interior, and large, comfortable seats that are easy to get in and out of. Controls are simple, visibility is good, and everything feels familiar. Equipment levels are basic but practical, strong air conditioning, simple infotainment for the time, and an interior designed to be used, not admired. For older drivers, that ease of use matters a lot. Maintenance costs are another strong point. RepairPal data and owner reports consistently show that the Impala is relatively inexpensive to keep on the road, with widely available parts and simple repairs. Fuel economy is average and interior materials aren't luxurious, but what owners rarely complain about are unexpected, wallet-draining repairs. Compared to many newer used cars that promise more but deliver stress, the Impala stands out as a straightforward, honest sedan that still makes sense as a good value today. Now let's move to a car that defined comfortable American driving for decades, the Buick LeSabre. This is one of those sedans that people don't talk about much anymore, but those who owned one rarely forget it. The years you want to focus on are roughly 2000 to 2005, especially the later models, when Buick had the formula fully dialed in. These cars were built for comfort first, not trends, and that mindset shows even today. Under the hood, the LeSabre uses GM's legendary 3.8-liter V6, often referred to as the 3800 series engine. This engine has one of the strongest reputations for longevity in the American market, and Consumer Reports, along with long-term owner feedback, has consistently rated it as durable and low stress. Paired with a traditional automatic transmission, this drivetrain is known for going well past 200,000 miles with routine maintenance, oil changes, and basic care, nothing exotic or expensive. Where the LeSabre really stands out is ride quality. This car is soft, quiet, and forgiving, the kind of vehicle that makes daily driving and long trips easier on your body. The seats are wide, visibility is excellent, and controls are simple and familiar. Equipment levels aren't flashy, but everything you need is there: strong air conditioning, comfortable suspension, and an interior that prioritizes ease of use over complexity. Owners often describe it as one of the most relaxing cars they've ever driven. Maintenance costs are another big reason the LeSabre still makes sense. RepairPal data and owner reports show that upkeep is generally affordable, with parts widely available and repairs straightforward. Fuel economy isn't great by modern standards, and it's not a small car, but what you almost never hear are stories of sudden, catastrophic failures. Compared to many newer used cars that feel stressed and overcomplicated, the LeSabre delivers a calm, predictable ownership experience, and for many buyers, that's exactly what makes it such a great deal even today. And to close this list the right way, we have a car that feels like home to a lot of American drivers, the Mercury Grand Marquis. This is one of those sedans people stop talking about, but never stop driving. The best years run roughly from 2000 to 2011. all built on Ford's legendary Panther platform and powered by a naturally aspirated V8 with a traditional automatic transmission. This car was designed in a different era when durability, comfort, and simplicity came first. Under the hood is Ford's well-known 4.6-liter V8, an engine that Consumer Reports and long-term owners have consistently described as durable and understressed. It's not fast and it's not flashy, but it's smooth, predictable, and built to cruise for hundreds of thousands of miles. Many owners report reaching 250,000 or even 300,000 miles with routine maintenance, oil changes, and basic care, which is exactly why these cars became so popular with fleets, retirees, and long-term owners. On the road, the Grand Marquis delivers exactly what people remember. A soft, comfortable ride, excellent visibility, wide seats, and a quiet cabin that makes driving feel relaxed instead of stressful. The controls are simple, the gauges are easy to read, and nothing feels complicated. This is a car you get into and immediately understand, and that familiarity is something many older drivers truly appreciate. Maintenance is another reason this car still makes sense today. RepairPal data and owner feedback show that upkeep is generally affordable, with widely available parts and straightforward repairs. Fuel economy isn't great and it's a big car, but what owners almost never complain about are sudden, expensive failures. Compared to many modern used cars filled with complex systems and long-term question marks, the Grand Marquis stands out as a calm, honest, old-school sedan that rewards owners with peace of mind. And that's exactly why it's such a perfect way to end this list. When you look at these 5 sedans together, it's clear they come from a time when cars were built to be comfortable, simple, and dependable, not trendy or complicated. While many newer options promise efficiency and technology, these older sedans deliver something far more valuable: peace of mind. If you want a car that feels familiar, drives smoothly, and won't surprise you with constant repairs, sometimes the smartest move isn't buying newer, it's buying smarter. And if you've owned any of these cars or still drive one today, share your story in the comments, because chances are someone watching this video has one just like it parked in their driveway.